Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the block summary element. The block summary element is a mini element which shows the summary for a blog post on the page. In order to use the block summary element, I first need to insert a blog post element. Select a blog post to show. By default, the blog post element has some mini elements inside: a blog image, blog title, blog summary, and blog read more. Let me remove the default blog summary element. I then can insert a blog summary element into the blog post. It looks like this. Let's walk through the options the blog summary element has to offer. First, we have blog post option that we can select the blog post to show. Then we can adjust the font, the color, font size, the line height, letter spacing, word spacing. Down here, we can align the text to the left, to center, to the right, or justified. We can transform the text to uppercase, lowercase, or capitalized. We can add an underline, line through, or overline. Adjust the font weight to normal, to bold, or to light. And make the text to be italic, like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.